Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Alright guys, I'm back on behalf of Instant Cash Solutions, and I showed you guys different ways that you can do this business, and I'm going to show you a simple method that you can use with the SMS Phone Leads system. Okay, if you're here, first let's start. If you're here, you're landed here because you're looking for a way to make money online. You're searching online right now, and that's how you ended up on my channel. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? So I am a full-time affiliate marketer, and I show you ways to make money online, typically with simple systems, okay? And pretty much they're affordable for the masses, all right? So this system, Instant Cash Solution, basically it is a classified ad training course, okay? It teaches you how to place ads online through Craigslist, okay, and various other places. But you get the basics of how to place an ad. You get the ad copy so you'll know what to place in your ad. You know where to place it, and everything you need to basically place your ads, okay, in the marketplace. We have the Facebook images. We have the images for Craigslist. We have everything you need in this system to make this work for you, okay? So we have 4 levels: $100 level, $200 level, $300 level, and the $500 level, okay? And you have to be at those levels to be able to earn income from those levels, okay? So if you come in at the $100 level and someone comes in at the $200 level, that $200 sale will pass up. Until you purchase that $200 level, you cannot get paid on it, okay? So you want to make sure you come in as high as possible, but be comfortable when you come in. You know, wherever you can come in, do that. But just know, if you don't come in at the higher level, you will lose those sales, okay? So, but it's a very simple system. Basically, if you can copy and paste, you can do this system. If you can follow simple instructions in the back office consistently, you can do this business, okay? You just need to have access to a computer and the internet, and, you know, 30 minutes to an hour a day to do the business. Very simple, simple, simple. Everything you need is included, okay? So let me show you guys. I'm using the SMS Phone Leads. I've showed you this before. You can go to my website, okay, mobilemoney.ws, mobilemoney.ws. So let me go ahead into the SMS Phone Leads and show you how simple this is. The SMS Phone Leads system, guys, you can do this from a computer or any smart device. That's what I like about it. Doesn't matter. As long as you have a smart device, you can do it. Don't have to be in front of a PC. I do it a lot of times from my iPhone, okay? So let's switch over to that real quick and show you how you can market this business. Even though we're showing you the way to place ads, you can also do it through text message marketing, okay? Very reasonable. So hang on, let's get you over there. Hey, we are actually on the SMS Phone Leads page, and by the way, quick update, they've changed the video out right here. They've added a new video that's 7 minutes that actually gives details on how this works and how it's going to benefit you to have this system, okay? So it's awesome. I'm really glad they did that, because we needed something to explain the SMS Phone Lead system, okay? So it pretty much does it in 7 minutes, okay? So check it out. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in so that you can see me actually send a text message, okay? But before I do that, I just want to show you this system is only 20 bucks, guys, okay? So you can get this system for $20. You can make $20 every time you refer someone. You just go in your back office and set up your Stripe account, and you can make $20 or the option of $10 if they choose the training, and $33 if they decide to upgrade to get the texting blaster, okay? So the money is not going to be anything significant, but I just want you to see how you can market on a budget, and you can still make an income off of this just simply referring others to it, okay? So let me log in real quick, and we're going to do a text message real quick for you, okay? Hang on. For the video's sake, I've already typed the message in the box, but I'm going to show you how you get to the texting portion. So you log in your back office and you go to System Specs, okay? You come down to New Built-in SMS Blaster. Once you click that, you're on this page right here, okay? You can only send text messages out between 9 a.m. and 8 p.m., okay? And then you can read over this information here of some rules that they have, okay? So let's go down here. I've already pasted the message I'm going to use right here in the box. That's all you have to do, guys. Log in, go to System Specs, click Built-in Blaster. You get your box right here, okay? Type your message that you want people to see on their cell phones, okay? That's what you want to do. Type whatever the message is. I highly recommend it go to a capture page, okay? You don't want them to go to just the web page. You want them to be able to put in their name, email, and phone number, okay? So, I put my message there. I've typed it in. Now I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click yes, this message is ready to go. And I'm going to click Send Now, okay? Here we go. That's all to it, okay? So, we're going to watch it go all the way through. It's going to complete. All the circles are going to turn blue, and that's when you know it's done. You can do this from your smartphone, okay, or you can do it from a tablet or a computer. Doesn't matter. It's very simple. It's already mobile optimized, so it will look great on the phone. So just log in from your smart device, and you can do this every day, guys. Market your business. Now, I'm showing you how I'm doing it with Instant Cash Solution. But any business, doesn't matter what your business is, you can use SMS Phone Leads, okay? So as you can see, it goes very quickly, pretty much. Okay, it's almost complete. And it's going to give us a message when it's done. And then you know you're done, okay? And then you can come back tomorrow and send another message. It's not going to even allow you to send more than one in a day. Okay, see, we're almost done. Okay. Move this over. Okay. Campaign sent successfully. See you tomorrow. That's it. It's just that simple. Okay. So you definitely can use this for Instant Cash Solution. Okay. So that's just another marketing method in which you can do. So I'm going to break down some costs for you for this. So let me switch over. I've got some notes here. So hang on a second. And I'm going to give you the breakdown. Okay. Okay. This way I don't forget anything. That's why I like to make notes. Okay. So you can join Instant Cash Solutions with me at postingforprofits.ws. Okay. Now, here's the texting information for SMS Phone Leads. Okay, as I discussed, it's $20 one time. You own the system. You'll get one phone number with that. Okay, and 100 credits. Okay, didn't put that on there. One number included. And 100 credits to get you started. But you need 200 to send one message. So you will still have to buy some additional credits. Okay. So if you want to upgrade and be able to send 200 a day, it's going to be the $20 plus 33. Okay, you're only going to pay the 20 once. So you'll pay 33 plus 20, and then I have some notes of the packages. Okay, so you'll send 200 a day. That's what goes out with one message. 200 mobile leads, they're included. Okay, and you have training videos in your back office. Okay, so what we have is the $12 package is for 800 credits. Okay. That gives you 4 days of texting. The $36 package is 3,000 text messages, and that's about 15 days. Okay? The $60 package is 6,000 text messages, and that's going to be for 30 days. That's your most valuable package. Okay? It makes more sense because it's going to be 30 days. But you decide, which one works for you. And as you use your credits, you'll have to go back and buy more credits. Okay? So that's where that stands. Now, you can get started with Instant Cash Solutions with me. Okay, I have a great bonus, of course, for everybody that joins me. I'm going to run their first ad, and then if you come in at the $500 level, I've got a special bonus for you. Okay, So if you don't have a business and you're interested in this, go ahead and join me in Instant Cash Solutions at postingforprofits.ws. And then if you're interested in the text messaging marketing, the phone leads, you can go to mobilemoney.ws. Now, one more system that I have for texting. If you want to send more than 200 a day, now you will need a computer to do this one, SMS Lead Network. Okay, and you can go to mobilemarketing.ws and check that one out. It's $197 one time. You make $100 commissions for everyone you refer. Okay, all right, guys, that's it. I just wanted to come back to you with that because we talked about it in the other video, and I'll come back and show you also some other things. But that's just another way to market Instant Cash Solution. Okay, with SMS Phone Leads. So if you're on a budget, that's a perfect place to start. Spend $20, upgrade to the $33 a month, and you can just send a text message every day. And then you can also do your ads, guys, okay? So you can do your ads and text messaging. Maybe that's the way you want to go, and it keeps it really simple. So it's a way to get started. So it's something for everybody, okay? And we try to keep that simple. So that's where we are. So Instant Cash Solutions. Join me today. We'll get started. Go through my funnel. Check out the presentation so you can see how it works. If you have any questions, jot them down and give me a call. I'd like to talk to you and get you started in this particular business as well. If you can copy and paste and follow some simple instructions, you can succeed with Instant Cash Solutions, okay? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I look forward to you joining me in Instant Cash Solutions. Until next time, see you on the inside, guys. You have a blessed day.